Hey guys, welcome back to Inner Frog. You might say, what happened to your hair? I actually don't know. Today's video, these are called k.nex. And I made my own guns out of them. My very first one I made was a sniper. I'm going to set you off right here and get this baby out. Look at this. It's pretty good. I like it. You might say, this doesn't look like a sniper rifle at all. I'm going to show you around for a bit. It took I should say like an hour to make this whole entire thing. Yeah, I like it. This is my very first gun. Then I made some more. After, like, yesterday I finished it, but 2 days ago I was making it because there's this YouTuber, I don't know who, but he is awesome making this as k.nex. Though these are awesome. So I was thinking, and he knows how, and he showed us how to make two guns. I think he did an SMG and a pistol, but I did not do anything. All this only for me. I didn't do it. If I know what his name is, I bet you shout him out because this guy is awesome making some cool guns. So I like this sniper. It's pretty useful. Yeah, I even got a thing where you cock it, so it's pretty easy to know how to cock it. Sorry, there's something in my eye. Yeah, this is pretty useful. I like it. How you wonder what the sharp thing is? I just added to it. I like it. It's really good. Then what was my next? My next one was a tiny pistol I made. This is the tiniest pistol I can make. I could hold it, or I could hold it like this. This is the ammo. I didn't make an ammo stock for this. Sorry, I was making one of those types of snipers where you're going, and there's still more. But this is the magazine. I take two of these and just stick it right in there. Oh my gosh. Sometimes when your hands get pretty tired, it's really hard to put them in. My hands are not tired right now. I just built one. So yeah, I like this one. It's pretty good. I made a lot. I only made 3 pistols. This is the first one. Yeah, I like it. You should. Never mind. The next one I made, this is cool because I can actually cock it and I can actually take out the mag. Yes, I add a mag to it. Now, there's this little white thing and I have to get it out. There we go. This is the white thing. It's like the ammo piece. I take this thing and see the orange thing right here? Voila! My brother made this idea. I made the mag, but I didn't make it where it could actually stand. But my brother did it. Thank you. Yeah, it's sick. It's pretty hard to put it out and put it back on. It's pretty hard. So yeah. Yeah, I can't get it on. Hold on, you have to wait for a while. Okay, never mind. It's gonna take too long, so we're 5 minutes in. You only got the 3 guns! Okay. Next is a revolver. It's pretty bad. You might say it's pretty bad. That's not what even a revolver looks like. But I like it. This is where the ammo goes. I like it because you can actually spin it when you have a real revolver. And this actually spins. I like it. Okay. So you know this is the ammo. This is the trigger. Right, put it in and you know this is the where you shoot out. Yeah, I like it. That's my favorite pistol. If you wonder what's my favorite type of pistol, a revolver. Yes, I could take out the mag. It takes a little less longer than that inner pistol to take on. Probably might you say, how do you know how to make it? Well, I just made my own. And if I rip it all, probably my dumb head will lose my memory. And it all done. And I made a knife. I like it. I like the knife. It's pretty cool. This is where you go hold your fingers in. These are the spikes. And you know the shape of a knife. That's not even. I like it. I like it. I think it'll break on the purple part. There's a piece that's loose, but it's also connected to this, and I feel like it's about to break. So I have to go like very softly. I can't go like, yeah. I like it. That's pretty cool. Next one. In 7 minutes? Dang, I did really long. I need to show details. Next is my bomb. I feel like it looks like a phone case. Hello? Yeah. Bye. Okay, bye. So yeah. You look very closely. See this red thing with the green? That's how you turn it on. So I go like, boop. It's a mime. Or I can turn it to a sticky bomb, whatever I want. I can't make it like stick on the wall. Here, let me try that. It's gone. Where did I put it? Ah. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So, you know, I could just slide it and go like beep, beep, beep. Yeah, it's just bomb. Not really nothing fun about it. Next one. It broke. I'm just kidding, it didn't. No, you might say this is not what it looks like, but it's not a Henner sniper if you think it's like a sniper. No. This is my own machine gun I just made today. I know you say that's a machine gun. It doesn't look like a machine gun. And go like, yeah, but my imagination. Now, if I ever make a how-to, like I might think of this and I might get it right. But about the mag, you need like a bend version of this. You know, I'm pretty sure if you get a new one, you won't. You have to just try to bend it. I think it's thick. I think that's what it is. It's just like so thick. That's why I bend. So this is the barrel. I forgot the orange thing right here, that's how you aim with it. And you always, comment down below if you ever hold a gun with hold the trigger with your right hand. Because if you do, you have to do your right eye and put the aim on and boom. I can take off the mag, but it might take a little longer to reload. Not longer than that dumb pistol. Might take it. Now some of you might say, you need to make better mags. Okay. I mean, I can't, but this just looks like a sniper, but a little better. Or shorter. Actually, a little more longer. And, like, yep, taking forever. My gosh, taking forever. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, this is all the guns I made. I'm just gonna. Now, if these break, I don't know how to make them. My brain is so short. So, yep. That's nothing. It's nothing. Oh no. There we go. Whew. Okay. As I was saying, so I hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment. Yep, that's all my guns in real fast. How about the elf on the shelf on that blush video? It's in my room. He's in my room. Let's go show it really fast. Okay. Here they are. Chip, Slugger. You're famous. You're famous on YouTube. You're famous. Yeah. The famous. Leave a like for these elves on the shelf. Subscribe. Comment. Comment about what's your favorite weapon I made. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next plush video or under vlog.